Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter Noon. We will practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words that start with Noon. In our last video, we covered the letter Meme. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. The letter Noon is a new category and new letters that is coming at the beginning, middle, and end of words. Initial style is this one, middle part is coming like this, final joint is this one, final joint is this one. Noon, like using instead of N in English, noon, and the style is in Pashto language like initial, middle, final joint, and joint is this one. In a word, for example, noon we have naranj. Naranj. Naranj means orange. زه نارنج خورم. زه نارنج خورم. I eat an orange. زه means I, نارنج means orange, خورم means eat. زه نارنج خورم. I eat an orange. Or for example, we have another simple example. دا نارنج ډېر رنګ دا نارنج زیړ رنګ لري. دا نارنج زیړ رنګ لري. It means this orange has a yellow color. Da means this, naranj means orange, zir means yellow, rang means color, lari means has. Da naranj zir rang lari. This orange has a yellow color. Da means this, naranj means orange, zir means yellow, rang means color, lari means has. Da naranj zir rang lari. This orange has a yellow color. For example, we have ورور में नारंज राकड़. ورور में नारंज राकड़. My brother gave me an orange. ورور में brother में my brother. नारंज orange राकड़ give. ورور में नारंज राकड़. My brother gave me an orange. نړۍ. نړۍ. نړۍ means world. مونږ په نړۍ کې ژوند کوو. مونږ په نړۍ کې ژوند کوو. We live in the world. مونږ we په نړۍ کې in the world ژوند کوو live. مونږ په نړۍ کې ژوند کوو. We live in the world. نړۍ کې ډېر هېوادونه دي. نړۍ کې ډېر هېوادونه دي. There are many countries in the world. نړۍ کې in the world ډېر many هېوادونه countries دي are. نړۍ کې ډېر هېوادونه دي. There are many countries in the world. نړۍ ډېره لویه ده. نړۍ ډېره لویه ده. The world is very big. نړۍ means world. ډېره very لویه big. The is. نړۍ ډېره لویه ده. The world is very big. نجلۍ. نجلۍ. نجلۍ means girl. نجلۍ مکتب ته ځي. نجلۍ مکتب ته ځي. The girl goes to school. نجلۍ means girl. مکتب school. ته ځي to go. ته means to ځي go. نجلۍ مکتب ته ځي. The girl goes to school. دا نجلۍ کتاب لولي. دا نجلۍ کتاب لولي. It means this girl is reading a book. دا means this. نجلۍ girl کتاب book لولي reading. دا نجلۍ کتاب لولي. This girl is reading a book. نجلۍ په کور کې ده. نجلۍ په کور کې ده. It means the girl is at home. نجلۍ girl په کور کې at home ده is. نجلۍ په کور کې ده. The girl is at home. Yeah. Now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. نارنج نارنج orange. زه نارنج خورم. زه نارنج خورم. I eat an orange. دا نارنج زیړ رنګ لري. دا نارنج زیړ رنګ لري. This orange has a yellow color. ورور مې نارنج راکړ. ورور مې نارنج راکړ. My brother gave me an orange. نړۍ نړۍ world. مونږ په نړۍ کې ژوند کوو. مونږ په نړۍ کې ژوند کوو. We live in the world. نړۍ کې ډېر هېوادونه دي. نړۍ کې ډېر هېوادونه دي. There are many countries in the world. نړۍ ډېره لویه ده. نړۍ ډېره لویه ده. The world is very big. نجلۍ نجلۍ girl. نجلۍ مکتب ته ځي. نجلۍ مکتب ته ځي. The girl goes to school. دا نجلۍ کتاب لولي. دا نجلۍ کتاب لولي. This girl is reading a book. نجلۍ په کور کې ده. نجلۍ په کور کې ده. The girl is at home. If you would like to learn Pashto or Dari online, feel free to contact me. I'll got hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like iTalk Quickly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.